Stop! Don't click that buy now button yet. I'm serious. If you are looking for your first embroidery machine right now in 2026, and you just pick the prettiest one or the cheapest one, you are setting yourself up for failure. Starting at number 1. Poolin EOC07 Embroidery Machine. The extended 7.9-inch by 15-inch embroidery area significantly enhances the capability of users to engage in intricate and high-value projects. This expanded space is particularly beneficial for those looking to take on custom orders, start a side business, or utilize the machine for small-scale commercial operations. By providing ample room for a variety of designs, users can stretch their creative capabilities and increase their potential output. Regarding the control system, the machine is powered by Smartstitch OS 3, which prioritizes simplicity and ease of use. This operating system is structured to facilitate quick learning curves, ensuring that both beginners and experienced users can navigate its features with minimal effort. As a result, users can drastically cut down on setup time, allowing them to direct more attention toward the creative and production aspects of their projects. Number 2. Smartstitch S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine. Best machine to start embroidery business. The S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to dive into the embroidery business. With its robust features, such as a generous 15 needles and a large embroidery area measuring 14 inches by 20 inches, it allows for a wide variety of designs to be executed efficiently. The machine boasts a maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, (SPM), ensuring that even large projects can be completed in a timely manner. One of the standout features of the S1501 is its 12-inch large touch screen, providing users with an intuitive control interface. The screen enhances the operation experience, allowing users to easily navigate through design selections and machine settings. This ensures that even those who are not extremely tech-savvy can operate the machine with confidence. Another innovative component of the S1501 is its 270-degree wide-angle cap system, which facilitates easy embroidery on various cap styles. The machine also integrates laser positioning technology, which offers precision in placing designs accurately on the fabric. Additionally, it includes an automatic color change feature, allowing for seamless transitions between thread colors without manual intervention, ultimately speeding up the embroidery process. Number 3. By the Mirror 15 Needles Embroidery Machine. Built specifically for small business owners, custom shops, and Etsy sellers, this embroidery machine is designed to offer professional-level efficiency for various applications. Whether you're embroidering hats, shirts, jackets, bags, leather, patches, or other materials, this machine is optimized to meet your needs. Its versatility makes it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced users who are looking to enhance their production capabilities. With a remarkable dual-speed performance, the machine boasts a maximum stitching speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, (SPM), on flat surfaces and an efficient 850 SPM on structural hats. This performance is engineered to significantly boost productivity, allowing users to achieve embroidery results that outperform many competing machines, which typically operate around 400 SPM for cap embroidery. By increasing productivity by up to 50%, this machine is a valuable asset for any embroidery business. The embroidery machine features the proprietary Smartstitch OS 5 intuitive control system, which utilizes a user-friendly touchscreen interface. This innovative system provides step-by-step guidance in 1 to 3 simple steps to streamline the setup process, design editing, hoop/frame selection, and output control. This feature allows users to master the machine quickly, reducing the learning curve and enhancing the overall user experience. Number 4. Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE700 is an innovative crafting machine that merges both sewing and embroidery capabilities, providing users with a versatile platform for a wide range of projects. This multifunctional device is ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike who seek to expand their creative possibilities. One of the standout features of the SE700 is its wireless LAN connectivity. This modern functionality allows users to easily transfer embroidery designs wirelessly from their computer or mobile device directly to the machine. This means no more cumbersome USB drives or complicated setup processes, just seamless integration into your creative workflow. As a result, users can upload a plethora of designs with ease, giving you the freedom to constantly innovate and expand your repertoire of embroidery projects. In terms of built-in features, the Brother SE700 boasts an impressive library of 135 built-in embroidery designs and 103 built-in sewing stitches. This comprehensive selection makes it easy for users to find the perfect design or stitch for their specific project needs. Number 5. Brother NQ1700E Embroidery Machine. Includes Brother BES Blue embroidery software included free. BES Blue is a powerful and user-friendly software designed for embroidery enthusiasts. It boasts a plethora of features such as on-screen typing, allowing users to input text directly onto their designs with ease. The sewing order feature lets you organize your stitching sequence for optimal results. It also categorizes fonts for easier access, provides options for fills and underlays to enhance the embroidery's appearance, and includes much more. With over 800 embroidery designs included, you'll find a suitable pattern for almost any occasion, whether it's for personal use or gifts. Moreover, it features 199 built-in digitized fonts, enabling you to incorporate beautiful lettering into your creations with various tools available in BES Blue. The retail value of this software is $399.99, making it a valuable asset for any embroidery artist. Additionally, the package includes the Brother Magnetic Sash Frame Embroidery Hoop SAMF 180. This specialized 5 inches by 7 inches magnetic flat frame is designed to simplify the embroidery process. So there you have it, the best embroidery machines for beginners in 2026. Whether you are Team Brother, Team Janome, or just want the best bang for your buck, the links to every single machine we talked about are waiting for you down in the description.